Tired of editing photos one by one in Lightroom? Let's revolutionize your workflow. Batch editing in Lightroom is your secret weapon for consistency and speed, ensuring all your photos look their best without the repetitive grind. First, import your photos. You can select a single image, multiple images, or an entire folder. Once imported, navigate to the library module here. You'll select the photo that will serve as your master edit. Now, switch to the Develop module. This is where the magic happens. Make all your desired adjustments to this master image: exposure, contrast, white balance, color grading, everything. Once your master image is perfect, it's time to apply these edits to the rest of your selected photos. Go to the film strip at the bottom. Hold down the Control key on PC or the Command key on Mac and click on all the other photos you want to apply these settings to. Alternatively, you can select the first photo, hold down Shift, and click the last photo to select a consecutive range. With all your desired photos selected, locate the Sync button in the bottom right corner of the Develop module and click it. A Synchronize Settings dialog box will appear here. You can choose exactly which adjustments you want to copy over for a full sync. Ensure all relevant boxes are checked, then click Synchronize. Voila! Watch as your edits magically apply across all the selected images, giving you a perfectly consistent look across your project. That's batch editing at its finest. Revolutionize your editing process and achieve uniformity across your projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and hit that notification bell.